Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3100 PSI pressure washer. Perfect for any outdoor project. In the garage, cleaning your recreational equipment, or removing stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 224cc engine with a high-performance Anovi Riverberry pump, delivering 2.2 gallons per minute, and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, storage strap, comfort grip trigger gun, and 5 interchangeable quick connect nozzles. Using different cleaning detergents has never been easier with the onboard 1-gallon detergent tank and the unique low-pressure detergent nozzle. And the low profile and 12-inch wheels make this versatile unit easy to maneuver and transport from job to job. Make sure you always wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your operator's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the water supply. Turn on the water supply. Pull the trigger gun to purge air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 3100 PSI pressure washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.